Hello and welcome to video number 4, and we're going to break down some chat bots. Now that you understand some common mistakes and what you need to do to get a good head start, let's take a look at some bots and break them down a little bit. So what I recommend that you do is to find a Facebook page of a company that may be a little bit bigger than yours and go to them and see if they have set up a chat bot. Or if that's not the case and they don't have one, then find a bigger company that might be in your niche. Maybe not exactly what you're selling, but something very similar. That way you have a better idea of how they've integrated the Facebook Messenger chatbot into their Facebook page. So you want to keep in mind that you're not just setting up a chat bot to set up a chat bot. You want to make sure that your page integrates into the message chat bot. Now, what I mean by that is that the way things are laid out on your Facebook fan page, let's say, for example, you have food or you have special promotions, you have your product, you have your service. You want to make sure that you have good content and valuable information, and naturally through that they're going to want to perhaps ask a question, sign up for your course, or whatever that might be. So what I'm saying is make sure that everything merges together and gets them to do a specific action. So for example, HelloFresh.com is a company that you order their box and every week you get a new box of food. So that way you don't have to go to the grocery store. Everything is packed for you. You have all the ingredients, you have the recipes, and you're able to cook your food. So with HelloFresh, the natural thing for the send message that they have set up is a chat box for customer service. Now, on the other hand, another site called ManyChat, which is actually the software that we will be using to set up a chat bot, if you click on the Get Started button here, you'll see that they send you a lot of really good information. They send you articles. They send you knowledge. So their goal here with their bot is to gain your trust, give you valuable information and insight so that you trust them. So this can be great if you're selling a specific product or service, and HelloFresh could do that as well. But they, in this case, have decided to utilize the messenger for a customer service line. So really you have to think about what are the most demand. Is the most demand customer service? Or if not, you want to generate leads, you want to generate sales, what is it? If you want to generate sales, then obviously in this case, you could be there to answer their questions. Or if you're generating sales, you could educate them, give them free information, like in this case right here. But for this particular video, I really want you to just think about how the chatbot will integrate into your overall Facebook fan page. And then from that point, we can figure out what kind of questions we need to ask. If they say yes, where do we redirect them to? If they say no, where do we redirect them to? And all of that. So once we have that starting point, it's easy to set things up. It's really trying to figure out that starting point, which can be the roadblock. So think about that right now, pause the video, and then we'll move on to the next video.